Action.
CG Forge, man, make sure y'all subscribe to my boy channel, man. The best take up here at Corleone Forge, man.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you don't want to get it wrapped?
Huh?
You don't want to get it wrapped?
Nah, that's more than pain. That'd be good.
Thinking they get it all, you gotta get them all, get all your body ready.
Shit. My cousin do the wrapping.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, he depends on what you want, bro. I'm not sure.
See, I gotta get all this body work, all this dents and the top and the hood. You see the rims on what's name?
These rims expensive too, shit. The Vossens? Yeah, these Vossens are expensive.
I'm gonna get them, I'm gonna put them on that El Camino. What's good? You don't look on that?
Yeah, it'll look good. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Why don't you get some Corleone for it?
Why don't you get some Corleone?
Nah, but
I gotta win a lottery to get some Corleone.
Nah, but it'll look good though. That'll match it, the big time, yeah. But I mean,
I like that back wheel. That
yeah.
back wheel's solid.
Yeah, they're staggered. That's what. Shit, it's gonna look good.
Real good.
They have that, they do the frame, man.
Yeah, we're gonna get this, put a set of Corleones on this one right now. Oh yeah, it's gonna look different. This is before. Wait until you see after. Vale? See, we got that. This is where we put it on right here. Look at that.
1981.
It's nice. Yep, it's getting ready to go.
Forge.
Hey, that's CG Forge right there, just to let y'all know. Best tech we got. Ah, shit. Anything, best tech ever. Stop acting cool and go. Huh?
Hey, we did the rotation?
I think so.
Yeah. So it's better than yeah. On the way. Now, feel the rotation, yeah? The rotation, yeah.
This is,
Wet up.
what up? I'm gonna chicken, bro. Y'all let you there. CG back at it. Minding up some 22 inch.
They had the off.
22 TORRIO.
Hey, just do it for him. I gotta go help him for it.
22 TORRIO. Red powder coat with polish. CG Forge, Corleone Forge, Chia. He mounted the wheel. He just do these, and he do these next. These are going on 91 Iroc Camaro. Red. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
We don't have time, you know? We need closer. Hey, what? 2210
in the back. 22.8 in the front. There we go. He got it. Merry Christmas.
As you can very happy, I'm very happy.
No, man. Hey.
Nazani, bra. Okej, bierze. جا موزیقاش لسه دانه موزیقاش لسه دانه موزیقا نابی او ده که لایف
No. Abbiamo detto io prima, che cambiata di storia.
You hard worker, bro. We do balance now.
Perfect. 200 is good. You guys put on Russia. You put it here. Ocha arak sho. Ocha arak sho. Хорошо, очень хорошо. Russia, what's Pakistan? This guy from Kurdistan. Look, he put a zero.
Sí, sí, sí, claro que sí. Me daría mucha alegría. Nos vemos.
You break $1,000 bill for, and you keep on giving out 100 years, 100 years, 100 years. And before you know it, it's on like $1 bill. Thank you. Oh, there we go, man.
What am I doing without no caps? It's simple. So I don't have to have caps on there.
Should I get a montage?
Okay. We're on. Oh, about it, Zunka. Corleone Forge.
Hey, Francisco, bring a weed, other one. Inside. Bring up back one, okay? Okay. So I come back.
Ja, au kappa det är kappa ta. Nack tror jag det då.
We need a shake.
Hey, they're gonna have to pop this out, okay? That right there.
Okay.
It's touching the cap, so it'll pull the cap out. Or he can hammer it.
Let me hammer it. If it's not working, I need a shake. Just let me use the like this one first.
It doesn't do nothing. It
Yeah.
just clears out that. It should clear after this. Yeah, it's good. I'll just make sure he tights it and everything.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, this look good, man.
What if this is for guys from?
Wow. Sen dakika basın beni. Francisco. I hope I ain't getting in your way.
Yeah, you good.
I'm gonna get old boy to come do a video of it too, backing out.
Yeah.
We're gonna post it on Corleone.
Okay, yeah, most definitely.
And then I'm gonna do it under mine, Shizzle_817. I just started.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Hell yeah. I started about what? 5 months ago. I think I got over 5,000 followers already. Instagram. But I post everything, not just Corleone, everything. I sell wheels. I sell all kind of wheels. So, you know.
Sure, I got something you can try for you purchase too.
What?
Take somebody left wet sand in the buffet.
Yeah, you can.
Type it in your, what's the name?
It's Shizzle. Shizzle. That's me right now.
Alright.
Yeah. So I just post pretty much everything, man.
Okay.
I'm gonna post this car too once it's done. Yeah, once it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and
Make
do
sure
it
I
myself.
follow you on all your posts.
Yeah. I usually keep it.
He gonna gas like you. I'm gonna see you later on. I'm friends.
Oh, for real?
We gonna show you gas and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's killer. That's why. Come on, you have to.
I think it's gonna look really good. Me too, man. Once I hit the lottery, I'm gonna put it on my Civic. The thing about Corleone is, man, you do it the way you want. You get them done the way you want.
Okay.
All these other forge companies, they don't have that kind of.
How'd y'all do when y'all went to Rick Ross?
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they did. Even Whipfest was good too, shit.
You know what, man? I didn't go because I heard they were charging $40 to get in, $40 a part. So I was like, nah, I'm gonna hold on. But
Yeah, I don't blame you. Shit.
I watched the whole shit on YouTube though, and I tell you what, man, it was some shit out there.
Yeah, it was. When you gonna put those on yours?
I'm gonna put some time for that.
How do you think? I don't know. Ya te sa ke te kalo na la. Mana? Kira miri jidit handa Corleone bu khabe khabe. Ah. Aba 4 dakika. Ana ama bir şey. Ha? İş ki. O? Ne kadar telefon? Çند dakika varsın ben onu sonra.
Nasıl çıkacak? Ne komşuyu şamar he. Kula gelene mi? Nasıl gelen kavla geldi?
Hello. O da já o da.
Yemek. Okay. Good, boss.
Thank you. Appreciate you, man.
Have a good day.
How you too?
Nice car, boss. $19.81.
Man, make sure y'all make sure y'all subscribe to CG4s, man. We'll get everybody together, man.